Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 108 in the Allure specification. This is a one-owner vehicle that comes with keyless entry. There's 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. Inside the car, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. There's also air conditioning and a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 9,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.